I want Saudi money. I want art money. I want women to. That's all these songs that, anyways. Yo, 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 good morning, guys. Oh, come on, Joe. Be nice. Oh, come on, Tesh. Oh my goodness. I was yeah, some Drake. Musty. Some Drizzy Drake. Drizzy Drake. What is that? You know what I should do actually is I should use I should do that. Okay, easy to manage. Anyways, moving on. 15 minutes. Good morning, guys. I think this thing is so crazy. BIVI, all over the place, all over the place. It seems like it's in a nice little demand zone though, but still. Okay, I'll leave this one up. Nairo, good morning. Troy, good morning. The leap begins today. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. It seems so stupid though, honestly. The leap. It seems so stupid. Maybe I just need to find the right one to play because I tried playing with EUR USD. Very slow, isn't it? Very slow, Troy. Good morning, the kids. Travis, good morning. You're trying to be smart about this one, Carter. Okay, what's a point to watch? A point to watch. Well, so you've missed the run already, and now you're just looking for the levels. It's looking a bit sus now, isn't it? Like it's trying to sell off here. You missed the big run up. Ken Carter, you should have been in Discord, right? So nice little rally, and then it hit the supply zone, and it's backing off. For now, the good thing is that it has a bit of support around like 290, just above 290. You can go a little bit lower if you want to, like 260, but let's see if we can stay above 290, right? So with this one, I would wait for the curl. Yeah, you should have, right? So the news came out on this thing. They have positive data from Parkinson's, and then the stock went from $1.24 all the way to $4.20. So really nice pop, right? Do I think it can come back at market open? Let's see. There's no point in you guessing what you think is going to happen because that's when people end up in trouble. That's how people end up getting screwed in the markets is thinking too much. Hoping is what you're doing, right? So for now, just leave it alone and let's see if it decides to find a base and then curl. That would be good, right? So we're sitting in that green zone. So if it can find a bit of a base in the green zone and then go back up, that's nice. So yep, it looks like we bounced at $3 this time. The 2 candles ago, which isn't too bad. Anyways, moving on, and then the stock is pretty funny, isn't it? The stock is pretty funny. They're calling it the real. Isn't that interesting? You know what's even more interesting is that this stock ran after hours and then dropped and then ran again this morning. Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. And then double topped at 240. So it's not a big range, but yeah, the damn thing is called the real, which is which is really damn funny. Yep, clothing, I guess. Guess they can call it that. So we shall leave that up. Let me pull up some more of these names here. Has an expectations for tracking billions of aid sent to Ukraine over wait. The Pentagon is investigating over 50 cases of theft and corruption linked to Ukraine aid. These guys are clowns, honestly. What's your position for NXU? I'll pull up NXU in a second here. Wait. That's not real, is it? Oh, I see that now. What? Oh my goodness. Let's keep track of. My goodness. How how the hell do you lose? Well, how do you? I do. I have the 55 open. Yeah, 55. That's the max you can do, isn't it, Troy? It's pretty stupid. Like it seems like a waste of time, honestly. Yeah, ADIL is pushing. I'll pull up that tweet, guys. I'll pull up that tweet. How do you lose that? How do you lose? That seems like Anyways, we can talk about that. We can talk about that later. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, no, I just wanted to. I was playing with the different positions, testing them out. Like the one you can do 12, and then you could do two on the other one. I just kind of playing with them. See which one I like. See which one's. Yeah, ADIL looks it's curling up the bottom there. Annette, good morning. If I missed you, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. NXU. My trading view is so slow today. So slow. It's still loading. My goodness. Are you kidding me? ADIL looks good there though. NXU is taking its sweet time to show up. Oof, my goodness. Um, this just seems like this is not true, is it? These guys have a lot of followers though, and they're usually very reliable with with news, right? So they have half a million followers. So there's a little bit of I bet you there's some truth to this. But the Pentagon is investigating over 50 cases of theft, corruption linked to Ukraine aid. I I hope it's not true. Hasn't met expectations for tracking billions of dollars of aid. What the hell? How do you not track it? How do you lose that money? How? There's so many questions. Doesn't it just go to? You would also think like Ukraine would be like, excuse me. No, you can't, Troy. This is why it's stupid, Troy. Is they're like in to be fair, we've given we're gonna use the same like it's like it's you can't trade stocks with it. Like no stonks. Zero. No stonks, Troy. No stonks. Okay, let me pull up more TradingView charts. What's Sound doing? Sound is at 580. So Sound broke below that level then. Okay. Maybe Sound can give us a bit of a pop at the open. Perhaps. Perhaps. Wes, good morning, good morning. Crystal, good morning. Nosotros, good morning. Daniel, and you said good morning earlier. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Tempting for initial entry? Okay. Yeah, honestly, that's wild. Crazy. Good morning, Sham. Not that I'm aware of. I don't think so. If they did, yeah, that's pretty interesting. Anyways, you look at this stuff and you just can't comprehend that, like stuff like that. That like, that's wild. Oh, they mean like okay. I think they're saying like the money they sent. Like they sent money and they're like, oh, where's this money? We don't know where it is. That's what they mean. These dudes are idiots, Brad. Charlie, good morning. Idiots, you know, idiots. Uh, in the 15 minute. Okay, 15 minute. the Yeah. Yep. Okay, let me see. Oh, I see. I see. Musty. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna pull up the SEC filing. Mera shelf. Oh wow. Okay. 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 I see. Huh. Interesting. Mera. Yeah. Okay. I'll take a look. All over the place and back into the. Yep. It's pretty sad when everybody knows what's going on, but like there's nothing you can do about it. Pay your taxes, and then and then the money goes, and then does a 360 and then goes back. It's like okay, well that's cool. Anyways, we need some stocks exploding this morning though, so we can start paying attention to that rubbish. Everything seems to be a little bit stagnant for now. Keep in mind it's Friday, typical Friday buy. People take profits sooner than you want them to for the weekend. So try not to FOMO into anything immediately, please, please, and thank you. Try not to FOMO. Uh, yeah, yeah. These were concerns. Yep. When you and it's 2017. Yep, musty. Yep, yep. Nothing you can do about it though. The monies will be spent, and then we shall thrust. ADIL isn't really doing much for now, just like everything else we're looking at this morning. So for now, we wait. For now, we wait. It looks like ENVB is hitting a high there, which is good. ENVB was the stonk from yesterday, I think, right? Yeah, that's a nice little pop though, off the 200. So um, I'll leave it up. See if this thing can give us something. Okay, okay. ADIL with a drop. NXU not really doing much. Musty, did you sell this thing or you're still holding it? That thing ran to $1.80. Okay. Hmm. So not quite to your number. Not quite to the number you want. Uh, Interesting. So green star. Okay, cool. Let me try this again. Good morning, Richard. I mean, it's not really doing anything for now. So, we're just watching it, Richard. Just watching. Just watching for now, for fun. I'm surprised NXU didn't go up more. Yeah, NXU is. I mean, I was hoping that thing would do way better than it than it has. So, but again, it looks like it's finding a base around a dollar 15 ish, $1.18 NXU. So maybe if it can stay above that level and then pop at the open, that would be nice. The real is curling up the 50 EMA 220. So next resistance closer to $2.30 to 40. So that whole supply zone there, we can use that. Alrighty, but it seems very slow, doesn't it? Right? BIVI, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Is that the 15? Oh, yeah, that's why. Okay. Like, why are we using that time frame? Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, no, for sure. We'll keep an eye on it and see if that thing can ever give us something fun. Hong, what's your position in ADIL? What's your position? Let me know. It's on the left hand side there. So for now, the levels to watch for that thing. I think we mentioned. So you have a bit of a base at $3. If we can stay above $3 already, again, let me know if you have a position. That changes the answer to the question. They may find that the money trail leads back to our own corrupt politicians. Probably, honestly, probably. You got in at $3.80. Home. You got in at your entry is 380. And do you not have? You don't have a stop loss, do you? Huh? Of March, the dipskis of March, dipskis. Maybe we yeah. You don't have a stop loss, do you, Hong? You just bought 380 and you're like, come on, let me hold it. Um, yeah. Yeah, you entry. You bought this thing. You bought this thing right there. You bought it either there or there. Um, And if you bought this thing right there and it stalled right there, or if you bought this thing right there, you bought it as it was crashing, right? No consolidation, you just bought it, and then it crashed, which is not good. What I'm hoping for is that again we open and then we consolidate and then run back up. So for now, there's really isn't anything I can tell you. I'm hoping that it runs back up as the market. Even if we sell off at the open, I'm hoping that we go right back up. So for now, again, please have a minimum. Like you have to have a level that you're like, you know what? I'm not gonna go below this level because I can't lose more than this. Please, 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 please. Otherwise, you're gonna be holding a nice bag here. So especially on a Friday, don't play around on Fridays, please. Dale must have helped with the accounting. Dale, are you Canadian? My goodness. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave ADIL on the left hand side and then NXU there. ENVB still looks like it's sitting there in the same, like at the same resistance. Uh, Nothing happening there. Nothing happening here. So not a whole lot. Open the markets, please. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Yeah. So honestly, like what are they investigating? Like you're investigating where you send the monies. What is crazy to me still though is that people can, I understand that like government's cool, and maybe they're like, you know what, this money is coming from somewhere else, like these are not tax But honestly, any money any money that the government spends, you're like, this is tax money. It's like people paid for this. So the fact that you can send $75 billion to another country and the entire country says no, 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 don't do it, and you still send it, that tells you how how much they don't care. Nobody cares about your opinion. Pay your damn taxes and then let's use the monies. Uh, yeah, is it minus 20 again today? It is minus 18. Pretty damn close. But it feels like minus 23. So yeah, technically. CM, good morning. Pizza, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Mm, let's see. Did we uh uh okay. Interesting. So what's the interesting. Ayo Dan, ayo ayo. What's wrong? What's wrong is the such monies is good. It's like fighting a war. Na 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 na, meaning you didn't fight. It, we would have had to. Yeah. I make good morning. Yep. Wait, the money go though. A private message. Okay. Really? Oh damn. Hi. Um. Scam the military out of 100 million before and 31 homes and 80 cars. Dang. 108 million. That's the same amount that Luna got paid to go to the moon. So maybe that's the. Anyways. Veterans Family Services firm and wow. How did they not know though? Like seriously, how did not know? These dudes have so much money. They're just like, eh. How did you not know? Uh, as a program manager, yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, Brad. I bet you there's so many scams like that though that we don't know about. We will never hear about. Like it's wild. Yep, stupid taxpayers. That's where your money's went to. Your money's went to a scammer. Yeah, Mo. That's wild. Hmm. Anyways, let's see if something can give us a run here. I think we're looking at these things because nothing's moving. So 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Give us the boomskis. Okay, there's nothing there. There's nothing here. I don't think. Cool. Dropping. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. You know that competition, the yeah, that competition. I don't know how those like when you look at the leaderboard, people are up 2,000 because you can go all in and that thing moves so slowly. It's like $5. How the hell does that work? Hmm. Anyways, WETH with a nice little pop into the open. Nice little pop into the open. Do 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 do. This is wild. Yeah, Dell. Yeah, I bet you those options are gonna be nice at the open. What's the deal with SIDU? SIDU did an offering, um, so now the question is, how does the market? Well, the market obviously sold it off, but does it bounce at the open though? I think Pablo was waiting for $6, so I don't know if it's going to stay above $6. Yeah, let's see. So, yep. So 590 to $6. See if it can bounce above that level. Alrighty for SIDU. Hopefully. Hopefully. Good morning, virus and thrust. Okay, yeah. Have a great day. Oh, behave, Dan. Behave. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Markets open in 35 seconds. So smash the like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. Alrighty. Again, there are a few names on the gainer list that have popped really nicely this morning. Some of these have news, but nothing really stands out for now as the winner. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna leave up BIVI on the on the left hand side. SOUN obviously with those earnings, the damn thing crashed as well. So markets just open. So let's see if SOUN can find a base above 570. It's like nope. Right. So we'll see. Again, keep in mind it's Friday. So don't go chasing chaos immediately at the open. Otherwise, you're going to end up in the abyss. Please and thank you. ADIL still sitting there. SIDU holding 6 for now. It actually doesn't. SIDU doesn't look the worst. Just because it seems like it's slowly consolidating. It's like, oh, that's because I'm using a bigger time frame. That's why. That's why it looks like that. But it popped up. Come on, load. There we go. La, 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 la. Dell? Yeah. Dell Technologies. These guys crushed earnings. They crushed it. My goodness, look at that run. 37%. Sheesh. Congratulations if you played with Dell. Congratulations. Congratulations. I think it's going sideways, isn't it? Hmm. Oh, 52-week range. Yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Otherwise, you end up under the bridge. Yeah, SIDU is doing well. That's a really good recovery. Really good recovery. What's your Ahmed? What's your entry price again? You should be. You shouldn't be holding a bag on this thing. What's your entry? Yep. Yeah, ADIL looks like it's holding 3 for now. $3. NXU really isn't holding anything. So the only thing it's holding is musties these in a 617. Okay, you're green. Don't go red again, right? You were panicking before. You're not that far off from the bottom, which is good. So yeah, it's dropping like a tomato. ADIL also dropping. NXU, yep, trying to. La 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 ENVB. Okay, sounds good. There we go. What should be your stop loss? Pick a number. Don't go below. Pick a number and don't go below, please. Pick a number, don't go below. Stay green. Stay green, please. Choo, 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 choo. Pick a number, don't go below. AMD is at 200. That's wild. That is wild. ADIL looks like it really bounced off that $3 range. That was good, Justin. Right, so $3 back to 330 here. So for those of you guys holding, which there are a few of you guys, that's good. Yep, 350. Finally, something pushing. But then you have this double top at 360, so be careful, right? That's your pre-market high? No, not yet, but just resistance. Hong, I think you were in this thing, right? So, yeah, well, double top at 360. ADIL. So hopefully we break above that level at some point. If not, just get a higher low, right? If you go below $3, then you really have a problem. And here it comes. So you're hoping this thing stays above $3, $2.95 to be exact. You're in at 190. Did you buy that position today, Piv? Let me know. Did you buy that today? Let's see. Hello, Nas. Hello. Hello. Come on. Yeah, it's in between the range for now. So, oh, here we go again. 340, 350. Yeah, you're gonna need to clear that 360 for a breakout. Oh, it looks like it wants to, doesn't it? And then it goes right back down. That thing is so volatile. Just be careful. Can I take a look at J Long? You're in at $1.65. J Long. Fun to the abyss. That's exactly what we want, Bunny. That's exactly what we want. Send it to the abyss, and then next week, pump it. That's exactly what we want. So then Salah got greedy, and now you're in the abyss. Oh, okay, you're in at $1.90. I think you should be. Yeah, ENVB. You shouldn't be in the abyss, I don't think, though, right? You're down 20 cents here. So you're not in the abyss. And also look at this thing at the open. High of the day is $1.89. If you could have packed your bags and ran for almost nothing, right? So for now, it seems like it's been giving us higher lows into the open. So I'm hoping that it stays above $1.70. If it can stay above $1.70, then that's a good thing. Alrighty. So 177 here now. NXU is still sitting there, and ADIL is still playing between that range. So it really needs to break above. If you're holding ADIL, type in yes in the chat. Can you take a look, IP? Sure. It's on the left hand side, but it's not pumping. Right. That thing pumped earlier in pre-market. It hasn't been pumping for the last hour. So again, like I said earlier, watch for support around 270 here. If we can stay above 270, good. If not, be careful, please. Typical market open sell-off. So there's really nothing good about the stock for now. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. 350. Come on. 352, 356, 357. Oh my goodness, that 360 is a wall. Yes. Okay. Yogi. Okay. Yeah, we need to clear that 360 here. Yep. BIVI. Yep. Again, hopefully it stays above that support. Okay, let's go back to this one. 351 again, and then back down. Back to 340. Back to 350. I think it's all over the place. In futures, on paper, on the computer. Take it out, Peter. Take it out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. 355, 357, 359. Going once, going twice, and sold. 366. If that candle can close above 360, though, there you go. 370, 370. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, Peter, take it out, or use the money to buy metaverse cars, and then sell the metaverse cars. That candle hasn't closed yet, but it's promising. It's promising. Uh, and 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, send it now. Here we go, guys. What's interesting is as soon as that candle closed above 360, this brand new candle gave us new highs of the day, right? So the reason we always say like closing of candles is important is because the people actively waiting. They're waiting for candles to close and then they FOMO, right? Look at this now. That thing is pumping. Why is it pumping now? Because the candle closed. So $4 supply zone. Make sure you manage your position as you see fit, and don't go red, please, because there's a whole bunch of you guys holding this one, right? 6, Joe. My goodness, Joe. Joe, when another 50-cent scalp. Well done. Yeah, that was a nice pop. I mean, this is really the only stock that looks promising this morning. So pre-market high, pre-market resistance, by the way. Look at that. Look to the left-hand side, right? That's your next resistance, $4.10 in pre-market, right? We talked about this earlier. Again, stall, $4.10, and then crash, right? And then pump again. So that resistance is you want to be just be aware that it's there, and make sure you have a stop loss, please. 438 and 6. Yeah. Well, we need to clear that 410 there first. Break that pre-market high, and then yeah, and then yeah. Fun is getting entered. Getting entered. I like that. I don't think we've wanted to see a stock crash more than fun. So it looks like that supply zone at the top, closer to 410, is a problem, isn't it? No. M and Y is still creeping up. Okay. Buys entire state, kicks everyone out, and invites all the hot trades members. Dan. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let's again. So the breakouts will for the most part always have retest. So it looks like this candle came back to 69. Of course, it's 69. It couldn't be any other number, could it? Right? It couldn't. It had to come back to 369 and then go back up. Unbelievable. Watch this thing not go back below 369 and then break out. Right? So we just hit $4 again and then came back down. Okay, 393, 395, and there goes 399. Come on. That supply zone is strong, very strong. is a secret number. Yeah. It is. Here we go. And there goes new highs of the day. It just had to bounce up 369, It just had to do it. It couldn't bounce up like 360 where it was supposed to go to. Nope, it had to be 369. Anyway, so yeah, we just hit new highs of the day on that candle. So still looking good. It needs to clear 410 though. 410 is the magic number, right? So that's the number that it needs to break. Yeah, I wouldn't have to. Musty, you're not wrong. So here we are retesting the that pre-market high. Pre-market high. So, uh, yep. I say 410. I say 410, but the tippity top of the candle is 420. Another really psychological number, right? Another psychological number. $4.20. 420. 2,000 shares left to short. Yep. 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 Dang. Uh, Interesting. Very interesting. Cool. For lying about his on his driver's license. Don't they measure you? They don't measure you? I thought they did. NXU, yeah, NXU is just chilling there, Musty. At least it's finding a bit of a base. Above the 200, so that's good. Not doing much though. Now it almost seems like it's curling off a double bottom at the open. So next resistance, 126 ish. So ADIL looks like we hit that same resistance, guys. Right? That's a double top, right? Double top. So top number one and top number two. So surprise? No. Let's see if we can stay above 369 again, or just the 9 EMA. The 9. Dell is dipping now, 130 to 120. Ooh. And then BIVI, not really doing much, but it's holding the 200. And then the real, it's done. I mean, it's done okay. It just has a lot of resistance below 240, but it's done well actually. Real, interesting. No, 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 no. JL, yeah, I need to pull up JL. I think Naz was asking about that one earlier. I just never looked at it. Um, uh, there we go. J Long. Yeah, these guys are giving out a dividend, right? So they're giving out a dividend March, which is so funny. They're giving out dividends in March, March 6th or so. I don't know, the 11th. It's posted in Trade Ideas in Discord. So this stock went from $20, $30 yesterday, by the way, from $30. From $30 to $1.07 in 70 cents in the same day. In the same day. My goodness! I bet you again. I don't think it's. I don't think something had to have happened. They're not just getting this money to give you dividends out of thin air. Like, hey, we're gonna give you dividends. I bet you these criminals did something, and then announce a dividend the following day. I bet you they did something. They knew exactly what was going on. The fact that this thing was just consistently pumping too, like pump, 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 and then to the abyss. Something happened there. I hope it's not an AMC. Honestly, yeah. Maybe again. So what you would almost want to see here now for this stock is for it to slowly creep up into the dividend. But if you hold this thing past the dividend, um, you're going to be sharing the bridge with the AMC bag holders. So be careful, please. NXU is slowly pushing highs of the day. NXU. No, 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 no. And moving on to, let's go back to look at ADIL. So if you sold this thing again, if you sold this thing at the double top, congratulations. Um, if you sold that thing at the double top, congratulations, because you sold it at the perfect time, right? History does not repeat, but it rhymes. When you see a stock crash from a level once, because that thing really crashed from that same spot straight to the abyss. when we get there again, you at the very least you better not be buying that thing, because then you're just asking for violence, right? So Hong, hope where's Hong? Hong said earlier that they bought it at 380. I hope they sold it for monies, because if they diamond handed this thing, anyways, let's see if this can become a higher low. Let's see if that becomes a higher low. BIVI is curling, so that's nice. That is nice, Yogi. Yeah. Okay, there you go. At least you sold it. This is again. Well, at least you sold it, and you're back in the red. But at least you sold at 410. So congratulations, right? So because if you stayed in at that same price, you'd be back to the same dilemma. At least you made some monies, and you basically break even now. So at least you made monies. Good job. Again, please use a stop loss this time. Don't go diamond hunting and ended up in the abyss again. NXU slowly going there. Musty 130 137. It's a sneeze. What happened, Rich? They didn't. They announced an offering. They said, "Hey guys, we're gonna do an offering. Hey guys, hey guys." Anyways, let's go back to ADIL here. Mm, uh, hey guys, you like offerings? We do offerings. So I guess this would be my last time asking for the indicator that you were using. Uh, Sorry, I missed your questions. Are you willing to share the name of your indicator? Yeah, absolutely. Like it's not a secret. Everybody in the chat knows what I use for an indicator. Most of you guys have it in the chat, right? So it's called the Bull Bay Algo. You have to be a member though to be able to buy it. So Rodos, yeah, Rodoslav. You have to be a member to buy it. So, but yeah, it's called the Bull Bay Algo. So it's not a secret. I just missed you. Don't blame the chats. I just didn't see it. So I just didn't see it. Anyways, yeah, that's it's not a secret. Yes. Not trading. I guess it's of the watch now. It's not trading. I have no idea. How can I get it? So if you're in Discord, go to the Bull Bear how to channel. I know we moved some of that stuff. So go to the Bull Bear Algo channel in Discord. Right. So Bull Bear Algo. There's a channel on the under the education section. Um, that all that information should be in there, Ahmed. There's Victoria's Secret and then there's Rob's Secrets. Let's go. La 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 la. 380s, okay. Yeah, it seems like it's trying to consolidate a little bit here above 320. So just a higher low, honestly, would be perfect, and then go back up. It's always concerning though when you're sitting below all these moving averages, Justin. But yeah, always a little bit concerning. Yeah, JL is not really doing much. So I don't know who they're enticing with a dividend after a crazy drop like that. Yeah, 52%. That's a nice run, Sander. That's a nice bounce. It's a very nice move. NXU just got entered, musty. Oof. All this work only to be entered immediately. Damn. And ADIL, yep, back down. So that's the problem with sitting below these moving averages is you never really know. Yeah. Yep. CRDF, Cardiff, Oncology, Fubo. What's your question? What's the previous bottom for ADIL? Well, I guess you're still looking at like $3, 390, 290, 290 to $3. Yep. Hopefully this becomes a double bottom here though, right? I'm gonna leave it up for a second here. Let's see if we can consolidate. So we kind of need to stay above $3. $3. I'll see myself to the corner. Well, hopefully they have a stop loss at least, right? So yeah, you want 380 back? So you didn't set a stop loss then, did you? Okay, well, we bounced up $3 last time, so let's do it again then. If that thing goes below 295, then you have a problem. Then you have a problem. $3, you have a problem. So, and also Hong, you're buying based on like guesses. You bought it at 350. Like there's nothing at 350 that makes me feel like this thing is gonna bounce. You just bought it because you're like, oh, okay, it's a better entry. You bought right there on these massive red candles, right? No consolidation. So for now, at least we have that previous bounce, right? So hopefully we stay above it. But Musty, why are you looking at that stuff? Why you know that stuff? You know that stuff is rubbish. That stuff has been rubbish from day one. No Vaseline, Wes. So no Vaseline at all. I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. Huh. So for now, we're holding $3, which is good. So stay above three, please, and thank you. Interesting. Jag X, 15%, Kimbella. Nice. Yeah, I just stay away because penny stock. Because penny stock. No, 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 no. There you go. Any guess on what a microchip company is partnering with SOUN? I have no idea. Not a clue. Not a clue. No idea. I don't think it's NVIDIA. I think at some point, maybe it's not SOUN. Yeah, no, I'm not sure. Or if it's NVIDIA, then they need to come out and say it so the stock can go boom skis. If it's NVIDIA, they need to say it. Ocean broke too. Okay. It looks like we're sitting in the supply zone at 274 CRDF. CRDF. SIDU still playing with $6. Ocean. What's your question, Fubo? You're asking for prediction for Fubo. Stupid Fubo. Stupid Fubo. Wasn't that thing pumping this morning? It was. How did Fubo go from? Oh, they reported earnings. They reported earnings, and then Fubo ran to resistance and then came back down. Right? See, look at that support. You know what's gonna happen, right? That level is gonna become resistance as soon as you go below. So Fubo looks like rubbish for now. Um, hmm. So again, so your resistance is $2 and let's call it 242, right? 245 resistance, right? And then you have support around $1.80. So if I was looking for an entry into this thing, I'd be looking for like 190 to 180. So I'd be looking for like this level right here. Why? Because Fubo bounced here once and it's done it again. So I'd be looking for that area ish. Also, look at the earnings. Make sure the earnings are not like, oh my goodness, what the hell happened, right? So you know. Mm, Interesting. Yep. Very interesting. Joe's at 7. Oof, my goodness, Joe. My goodness. Are you still doing 14 contracts though, Joe? Or are you doing 14 contracts like all in to make 7? How's ADIL doing? ADIL is holding $3, right? So that $3 we need to hold, right? So ADIL is doing the exact same thing it's been doing all morning. Look at that, right? So we clearly want to bounce off this level, off that level. It's what it's bouncing at, off this level. It clearly wants to bounce up $3, which is good because we know that if we go below that level, you have a problem. And also, it's failing at the top, right? It's failing right there, and it's failing right there. So it's just being repetitive for now. But the good thing is, we know where the top is, we know where the bottom is, right? So if we can stay, right, if we can stay above $3, then that's a good thing for ADIL, right? I know, right? Yeah, repetitive is nice because you know what to look at, right? So la 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 la. Uh, so there you go. So we've gone from that $3 bottom. If you bought the dip at $3, type in yes. You know who's gonna type in yes right now? Yogi. Yogi bought the dip at $3. Right. So if you bought this dip skis, I bet you did. Love it. Love it. Don't go red, please. CM, yes, love it. Good morning, Paige. Gail, you bought the dip skis. Love it. Don't go red. Don't go red. Because again, we don't know if we're gonna go all the way back up. It would be nice, obviously. Right? It would be nice to go all the way back up, but we don't know that if that's gonna happen. Peter said yes. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. So anyway, so your next resistance is closer to 340 here now, right? Anywhere close to the kernel, so 340 ish. But again, from 305 ish to 340, so that's nice. That's a nice little bounce. I knew it. I knew it. See, I'm telling you, I know you guys. I know you guys really well. I know you guys really, really well. Why is my thing glitching? Huh? Hi, why is that glitching? Is it because I'm using? Let me refresh here. Uh, oh, I see that scam. Something must have happened there, Joe. I bet you something happened. Huh? I bet you something happened in the markets. I wonder if there was news that was supposed to come out that we just weren't paying attention to. Maybe. Hmm. A nice with a nice green. Love it. Yeah, CAUD halted. This thing needs to break out here though. ADIL. Like now, now, now. Like now, now, now. It needs to break out. La 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 la. Yeah, Yogi's a criminal. There we go. Like now. 344, guys. And right back in between that range. So we'll play with that 340. Come on. Again, the higher that thing goes, please make sure you move your stop loss. You could have four. Yeah, that week was wild. That week was wild. Let me send you this. Placing for wild. That is wild. And there goes a little bit of a dip ski there. So, okay, don't go red, please. Uh, yeah, yeah, there are limits. Limits. Almost eight. Okay, sad. But you took one instead, Joe. No, that's okay. That's okay. La, 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 la. Yeah, Joe's a monster. I'm telling you. You enjoy our trades. I'm telling you, Joe's an absolute criminal. How he drives, and it's the first. I mean, the first hour into the day, and Joe's stealing from the markets already. Anyways, so these candles though need to keep closing about $3, and so we just need to stay above the nine, right? The blue line is what I'm trying to say. Okay. So we need to stay above the blue line there for this one, and then if we can break above 350, send it all the way back up. Yeah, let me take a look at CAUD. Good morning, Lynn. Hello. Yeah, that's a nice little pop. Why I did that, I'm not quite sure, but nice pop. The volume seems sus though, so be careful, please. Right? I hate when you look at a chart and it's like one fat green candle. It's like, okay, is the next one gonna be a fat red candle? I don't know. So just be cautious, please. They had news. Okay. Yeah, 7 minutes ago, to acquire. Okay, they're doing an acquisition, adding unique AI power. Okay, one pop though, so we still need to see that consistency from these green candles back to ADIL. So again, beautiful bottom, right? So if you bought this, congratulations. Now it just needs to break out. It just needs to go. So we're holding the 9, holding the 20, holding the 50, holding the VWAP. Just needs to pop, but it's having a hard time breaking above 345. Uh, yeah, the news, yeah. And that thing said, nope, back down. Uh, no, officer, I was trading. That's the first time I heard that excuse. Yep, yep. Wild, isn't it? Doo-doo-doo. Okay, let's see here. Uh, wait, what happened? Okay, I see. How's it March already? Isn't that crazy? Like it's March. It's March. Wild, isn't it? Time goes by so quickly. My goodness. Yup. Yeah, my nose is doing the dancey dancey thing today. Yup. March, and give it another month, and then the year is gonna be we're gonna be talking about Christmas. You know. Okay, there we go. Uh, Before it breaks out tough, until it breaks out. Uh, just got some more fun thoughts since 13 pre-split lane. Oof, fun no look good. Um, fun no look good. Fun look ugly. Lynn again, it like we're closely watching it as well for when it decides to run. I think we were waiting for $5, hoping that it would keep crashing. Um, but yeah, there's really nothing I can tell you for now, honestly, until that thing decides to consolidate. Right? It would be nice if like it kept crashing and then just sat flat for a day and just consolidated. For now, though, that thing looks ugly. Right? It looks uglier than the AMC chart. So yeah, so just be careful, please, please, and thank you. Not the cleanest, but out green 43. Luke, congratulations. Have a wonderful weekend. What did you play with? ADIL? You played with ADIL, didn't you? Yeah, no, I saw you posted that too, and it's done really well. CAUD seems like it's trying to consolidate. As soon as I say that, it drops. But yeah, Roots has done really well. I saw that you spammed this one a few times. Yeah, it looks good. How this thing is at $35 is impressive, but it's done really well, right? So we talked about this one last week, maybe. Um, but yeah, so it's done really well from $8 to $35. That's what fun is gonna do when it's ready. But now it's not ready. I'm kidding, not. But anyways, yeah, no, root looks nice. So yeah, BVIV. Yep, higher lows. High hellos. ADIL needs to give us a higher low now. There's no reason to go back to $3. No reason at all. Oh my goodness, Nick. Don't be a Nick and get taken out of crypto markets like, oh my, watching and regretting. Dang it. Yeah. Yeah. Nick, connect your stuff to Discord because then you don't miss it when it's going back up, you don't miss because, again, like, Josh has been spamming crypto from like 20 and to 30 and saying, oh my goodness, it's going back up. Um, yeah. So connect your stuff and then check every once in a while because, yeah. Uh, with so many primaries, DP, yeah, for sure, we're going to be watching fun next week. Again, it's doing exactly what we wanted it to do, right? Exactly what we wanted to do, like crash, 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 and then consolidate. You know, if this thing can crash all day today like this, and then just sit flat for 2 hours into the close, I think it's going to pop after hours. Um, but if it keeps crashing, then just leave it alone because that thing is going to keep going. You are, Nick? Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! Yeah, Peter. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's frustrating though. When you take a loss and then it goes back to the highs. Yeah, very frustrating. dude. Uh, oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, that competition is really stupid. The leap thing that TradingView is doing, it's really stupid. In trying to make it fair, they made it stupid. They should have just let it go. Like play whatever you want. Let's see who makes the most. Pretty stupid. Eh. Anyways, it just seems so silly. And then the fact that they cap how much you can play with is also pretty stupid. Anyways, so we are getting a higher low here for ADIL, which is good. Him. And why do you think it will pump after hours if it was under $1 2 days ago? Him. Not sure who this is, but I like your name. Anyways, um, so why do you think it's if it was under $1? So technically, it's never been below a dollar. Him, right? So let me pull up fun here. Right, all time low for fun is $3.50. Okay, let me pull up the daily here. It looks beautiful, nice and ugly, right? So it's loading, 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 loading. So the all-time low for fun is the level we talked about yesterday, right? This 350. That's the pre-split all-time low, which is like I don't know something cents, right? Um, so usually with these splits, is people will sell them right all the time. When a company does a split, we usually expect them to to dump it because it's trash, right? So crash, 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 and then when you can find a way, again, if you try and look for some like commonality between like the ones that run, they usually find a way to just sit flat for hours. Like they crash and then just sit flat. You can almost tell that the sellers are gone in a way, as long as they don't drop bad news. So for now, again, we like what it's doing. Like just keep going down. I mean, if it wants to go down to all time lows at 350 $4, that's pretty sweet, right? So don't mind. Or ADIL? Oh no, 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 no. ADIL again. ADIL has been finding a base at three. We talked about this, right? This has been the support for the last hour, right? Just close to $3, and then popped. So now it needs to give us a higher low here, and we need to start trending up. Alrighty, because if we go below this bottom, and then you have a big problem. A big problem. Anyways, anyways. Okay. SPX 500s. SPX. Okay. That's the 12 one, isn't it? I think. Yeah. More than pennies. Hey yo, Gary. 82. Let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, please, and thank you if you haven't already. I appreciate you smashing the like. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. Ready? Cool. Cool. Jumia, JMIA. Send it. Send it. Okay. Yeah, let me pull up Jag X. I know that one's been mentioned a few times. Yeah, I just haven't looked yet. Uh, Jag X. Kimbella, you must be happy. I mean, it's up 50%. These penny stocks have been spammed so many times. Jag X. Yep. 10 cents is a big level, though, isn't it? Big level. Big level. La la la. At 5 cents, congratulations. Yeah, you should be happy. Happy days. Happy days. Dumpster fire name, Invite. Yeah, OTC. Yeah. Kathy Woods is I don't know. Like I post Kathy Woods stuff because just because it's Kathy Woods. Kathy Woods is like the better version of Kramer to me, honestly. In case we get a pop, okay. QQQ's to 500 this year, Andre. I mean, the way things are moving, it seems likely, doesn't it? But fun stock, please, George. What's your position in fun? Let me know. Let me know. What's your position? Yeah, it's a waste. Wait. Commission? You know what's crazy? These guys charge commission for the paper trading competition too. And, sheesh. Yeah, that's wild. So, anyways, ADIL is still looking okay, guys. All we wanted to see was double bottom to higher lows, right? So, good. We're still holding the bottom here. All we need to do is clear that stupid 345 level, though, 345, 350, and then pump again. So, make sure you don't go red. If you bought off the bottom, which was a nice entry, don't go red, right? Don't go red. Don't go red. You're in at $9. That's your average. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, honestly, at this point, for fun, we're just being repetitive. I'm hoping, right? We're hoping that fun will crush $9 at some point. But obviously, sell off first, right? Which is exactly what's happening now. Yeah, as much as we're throwing levels around, I don't think we can really give you a level for where that fun is going to rally from. So we're just hoping that at some point it consolidates and then the volume kicks in, right? The volume kicking in is really what's going to be, or just consolidation, right? And so just waiting for now, George, right? But we do hope though that at some point fun can go higher than $9. But at the same time, again, fun was at $8, right? Fun was at $8 and $7. So next time when you're in the position, please make sure you have a stop loss, because if you sold this thing at $8, 8.50, fun went to $8.80 after the split, right? I think something like that. So if you got rid of it, you could buy back at $6 and you've saved a lot of money, right? So instead of just diamond handing and waiting, sometimes it's best to just take the monies and run. Yeah, Jack X looks nice. Anyways, ADIL is trying to break out. Fun is at 10. Jack X is at 10 cents now. Dang, 10.20. Dang, Danielle. So yeah, that looks good. Congratulations if you're in that thing. And then ADIL back to 3. Ooh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, send it. Just stay above. Stay above. Yeah. Liked and subscribed already. This channel helped me a lot in my first month. I gotta say, will study a lot more before joining. Okay, beautiful. Rage, beautiful. Welcome to the community. Let us know if you need any help already. And if you wanna expedite your learning process, come join us in Discord. Good morning, Subis. Can you take a look at Holo? What's your position in Holo? Let me know. I'll take a look. Good morning, glowing turtle. Gary. No, I say that because like every time Kathy Woods is like, "Oh my goodness, like this stock is amazing," blah 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 blah, and then it goes to the abyss, right? Goes to the abyss. So yeah. So when people say like Kathy Woods is loading up on this, I'm like, like it's you added more shares of Jack X at the highs of the day, Kimbella. You know this thing's gonna dip at some point, right? It's gonna dip, and then you can add, and then it goes back up. But anyways, you're green for now. You're up. You're up. You've doubled your monies, and then you added more. So, um, yep. Let's don't go red. When you average down on something, when you average down on a stock, it doesn't matter, right? Especially on names like these ones. When you average down, make sure you have a level that like just don't go red on the entire position, because then you've just wasted your time. You have a stop loss, good. Kathy would doesn't mean Kathy should. Exactly. So you have 600 shares of Holo at $12. Shoosh. Um. Yeah, you bought this thing at 12, and then so so if I was in your position, just because you've held this thing all the way to the abyss already, if I look to the left hand side, I'm gonna move this line a little bit low. I think we had it at $10 just because 10 is a nice level, right? If I look to the left hand side though, we had a nice little breakout around this area, so around like $8, right? $8. This level has always been important. This level, right? So if I were you, and if I was holding that position at 12, and I didn't set a stop loss at 11 or $10, and now it's at $9, and it pushed all the way I held it all the way down to $8 already. I'd be looking to set a stop loss slightly below $8 because that's the support, and then hoping that it can go back up. Right? If you look at the last few days for Holo's done an okay job holding around this, around 850 to $9, right? So hoping that it stays above that level and then goes back up, hoping, right? But again, please use those stop losses, guys, right? If you're gonna panic on a position, you might as well set that stop loss now, right? Might as well set that stop loss now. Okay, let me take a look at this here. Just because Kathy should doesn't mean Kathy would. Kathy would doesn't mean Kathy should. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Kathy. Let's see. No, 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 no. Spies at all-time highs again, of course. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? That's wild, isn't it? We just keep hitting highs and highs and highs and highs. Anyways. Anyways. I remember Live W. Live W's. Yeah, let me go back to ADIL. Love it, right? So you're still in this thing, right, CM? Congratulations, by the way. So if you're still holding IDAL, type ADIL, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding it, type in yes. Come on, there we go. 360, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it. So again, now really don't go red. I know, I know. Well, really don't go red, please. Right. So again, if you bought this bottom, that's a beautiful bottom, right? Beautiful. And then pop, pop, pop. All we had to see here at this point, higher lows, higher lows. Once you make a bottom, don't go below that bottom, right? So when we make this bottom right there, we need to see this thing find support higher, higher, higher. What that tells you is people are buying this thing higher, right? And there goes boom skis, 370. Don't go red. Don't go red. Don't go red. I will find you. I will change the password to your trading platform, and then your money is going to be stuck, and then you can have it when you retire. So don't go red. Take your profits on the way up. Blah 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 blah. All the other things. So and we just went from 375 back to 350. So let's see if we can stay above 345. That's the breakout level, right? The breakout level. You got stopped? Okay, money is down. Is that the first time it's had one of those? Yes, and there goes 340. So Justin is happy he got stopped at 359. Why? Because it's cheaper now, right? So happy for now. It's going to at some point. Yep, look at that, right? So you've saved a little bit of money, Justin, and we just went below 340, 338, right? So yup, retesting the view up at 336. So let's see if we can get another higher low. Right, you stay about 336, or just close about 335. So, and that's okay too. Let's see. Everbridge on the scanner. Think I'll avoid the bridge. Honestly, I think any stock that says bridge in it, I just stay away. And then it pumps, right? So there goes the dipskis for Jack X. It had to happen. It was coming at some point. Opinion on healthcare triangle. What's your position, Stacy, in HCTI? And looking for re-entry, Ahmed. Okay. Just make sure you don't do too much though. Don't overtrade, and please use better stop losses. I will find you and take your computer away. Right? When you make money, when you make $100, your next stop loss should maybe be at like only lose max half or something like that. You're in at 16 cents. I'll take a look. I'm almost $1,000, Ahmed. Okay, there you go, right? So maybe now when you buy again, only risk again. Say, you know what? I'm only gonna lose $100, $200. Don't lose it all, please, because that's your main issue for now, right? So use tighter stop losses. I say this because I anyways. So you got in at 16 cents and you're green in this position for now, glowing. That's a nice entry, actually. That's a really nice entry. It looks like we've talked about this thing in the past, obviously, with all the scribbles on the charts. So yeah, you have a really good entry. My goodness. My goodness. It doesn't seem to have a whole lot of volume, right? There's really nothing I can tell you here, honestly. Why? Because look at what it's been doing over the last 2 weeks, right? It's like it's in this little area, right? And it's going up, down, up, down, up, down, and now it's sitting in the middle. So, the entry is obviously at the bottom, right? And then the exit is at the top, or unless we break out and just go boom skis. So for now, I would say like set a stop loss at a level that you think you'd be happy and glowing, right? I bought at 16 cents. Maybe my stop loss is 17 or something, right? And then, see if it goes back up. Because again, it could easily come back to 16, you know? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Mm-mm-mm. Na, 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 na. Fun is going for a bit of a run. Send it, Fun. Send it. I wonder if it's finally found the bottom. I wonder. Let's see. Okay, that's just a stupid alert. OPGN, an alert at 50 cents. Musty, was that a even with BTC? Nice. Okay. Yeah, I think that's why. So you recommend a stop loss that's not much greater than your initial entry? It depends. It depends. So it depends how much of a rally you've had, Tank. Right. So in this case, the reason why I say 17 cents is because again, like it could easily go back up, and it's not really moved at all, right? So if you're looking at a stock that like is you bought at $4, it's now sitting at $10. Your stop loss should be a lot greater than your initial entry price, right? If you've had that rally already, your stop loss should be a lot higher, right? And if you're just getting in the position and it hasn't moved, then you have to think of how much you're willing to lose or where the support is. You almost have to use technicals in that case, right? So it depends. It depends on a few things. That's not a good stop loss, is it? Hmm. Apple 116. Good entry point. How is Apple doing this? How is Apple doing this? They've completely rotated Apple. Like it's like, okay, now it's all about NVIDIA and all the other names. Apple used to be like, if the S&P was pumping and hitting all-time highs, Apple was pumping and hitting all-time highs. You know what I mean? Now it's so different. Apple is getting entered. Oh my goodness. Are you looking for 167? 167. 167? Yep, 167 would be a great entry if you can get it. Rusty, if you can get it. Let's do. Uh, and MACD indicators are also volume and candle patterns for who? Who's looking? Freebo? Oh, T. Okay. Okay. Uh, Technical analysis classes also. Yeah, exactly, Freebo. The videos all over the place. There's some videos in Discord. There's a video on the MACD in Discord, in the education channel. There's video on the RSI in Discord. Yeah, there's a whole bunch in the education section. And then if you just show up to one of these classes, you can always ask. Like some of these weekend classes we do, you can always ask. Yep. So again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Gary, Nightbot. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Discord, community, legend, or goats, and come join us in Discord. Alrighty, so come join us. Nah. Yes. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, Apple has been getting inside ADIL. Let me go back. So it looks like we dipped to, well, I mean, technically this is another higher low, isn't it, for ADIL? So we shall see. What's the bid and ask on this here? Interesting. We have a new member. So remember, and not a new member, a returning member. Gurpreet, welcome back. For run, Musty, yeah. I find it funny how sometimes we set these alerts. We do research, we set alerts, and then we just ignore the damn thing. And then we're like, oh, that's a cool alert. Look at that thing. That thing alerted at 50 cents. It's at 54 cents now. The volume is not the best. For penny stock, that volume is absolute doo-doo. The spread is also doo-doo, right? But there's a reason why we wanted to watch 50 cents, because look at what happened. So, oh my goodness, Tesh is speaking the language already. Speaking the language. Tesh is like, my people, welcome. Welcomes. Kira means hi. Okay. Hey, we're learning a new language. I like it. I like it a lot. NXU just gave up. NXU just became yep. I think it was an overnight run. Holo is slowly creeping up to 926, which is not too bad. BV got entered, right? As soon as it went below the 200, meh. Anyways, ADIL seems like the only stock that is giving us some signs of hope, Also means, how are you? Okay. Everybody's going to be saying this now. Can you take a look, Christian? MINM? Yes, of course. What's your position? Let me know. MINM. Crazy stock. I think needs to reset for me, please. Nope, of course not. My goodness, look how slow my charts are responding today. Look how slow it goes. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's like 3, 2, 1, uno. Anyways, yeah, let me know what your position is for MINM, Christian. It's done well. It's coming off a double bottom after selling off, at the open, which is good, right? So again, sell, double bottoms, right? Which is nice. This is one of those signs we talked about in the morning, right? Sell off, double bottom. Beautiful, isn't it? Good, right? So also, if you were watching this thing at the open, like there was no reason for you to touch this thing from $6 all the way down. Why? Because look at the blue line, right? It's closing below the blue line, closing below the blue line, closing below the blue line, and then you hit bottom one, right? And then you cross the blue line, right? In that case, you can stop loss is still at the double bottom, right? And then bottom two, and then cross. So it's done really well bouncing off that bottom, which is really good. So congratulations, Christians. If you bought in at 5:45, good job. Well done. Well done. Right. So your next resistance is 620 here. The closer we get to 620, so um, the usual. Please set a stop loss. Right. Don't let it go back to 545. Pick a number and say, you know what? I like this number for gains. I'm holding this many shares. If I set a stop loss at 590, 580, 570, $6, that would be nice gains, right? So yeah, again, there's resistance right there. So just be aware, right? Breakdown, like the break of structure zone, right? So and it's kind of hitting it, and look at that. That thing just crashed from that level, right? Surprise, not, right? Look at that. We just went from almost 620 back to 577. So you need it to stay above this level though. So I mean, it's okay that we're retesting that 200 and then holding it. So if we can stay above that, that's good. But you still have resistance up there. You got out at 606. Congratulations. Oof. My goodness, Christian. You must pick the very, very top. Very, very top. You must pick Christian. Congratulations. Good exit. So now, if you're watching this thing still, it needs to stay above that 200. Otherwise, it goes back to the same place you bought it at. For real is breaking out. Ooh, where is it? We have it somewhere. The real. Absolutely, yeah, yeah. This thing's been slow today, Justin, but it's been moving, which is good. Like it's been so slow, and the candles are so weird, but it's been slowly going, slowly going. Okay, what's the bottom of this candle? Um, there we go. No, no, no. Okay, I don't mind this stop loss. Varys? Oh, come on. Come on, Varys. Uh, looking. Okay. Anyways, let's go back to ADIL, right? Still looking promising, isn't it? So, still holding and still fighting, which is good. And look at that thing, Christian. Ooh, Christian, give yourself a high five, by the way. Give yourself a big, big high five. Because you sold right there. Look at where this candle dropped you, right? 566. All your gains would have been gone skis. So gone skis. The good thing is though that it's still closing above the 200. So if that thing can find a way to close these candles above, that'd be nice. But good exit. Good exit. Muy bien. Justin, have a wonderful weekend. Uh, enjoy. See you in Discord. See you in Discord over the weekend, and then Monday. Musty, I know. NXU is NXU. Yep. Disappointing for you there. Yeah, disappointing for sure. In it, bruv. Ivan, are you looking? Are you wanting me to look at it, or you're just looking on your own? Anyways, so there goes MINM, right? So closing candles above the 200 and the nine. So the nine is not crossing the 200, which is also a good thing. Which is ooh, that's nasty. Importance of a stop loss, guys, because there's no way you react quick. Like there's no way you react this quick to sell it. But it came down to the exact same level that it keeps bouncing at, right? So yeah, I don't like that scam. Yeah, that is an ouch moment. Again, please use stop losses. Please, 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 please. Uh, what's the bid on this? Okay, yeah, that's a scam candle. A copier. That's impressive. Yeah, I mean, looking at ADIL, it's bouncing off the exact same stupid level, isn't it? Exact same stupid spots. um, same levels. Explain a scam candle. I mean, I think it's. I don't know if we created this phrase or where the phrase is coming from. But when we use that term scam candles, we're just referring to candles that are going against us. So like if you're in a long position and you have a massive red candle when it hasn't really been doing that, it's a scam. Like it's something that's out of the ordinary, basically. Like it's just a surprise, you know. Yeah, like in this case, yup, right? Like if we're slowly trending up, and then you have a random candle. It's like, okay, well, that's a scam. It doesn't mean anything though, honestly. It doesn't mean anything. So I think that's what you're asking for. It doesn't mean anything. Yeah, it's not fake, but exactly, team. Just a surprise, bad surprise. Yep, it's yeah. So scam candles are things that will happen in the market as you have liquidity grabs, as you have hitting people hitting stop loss is kind of the same. Yeah. Hmm. Just looking at some of these bits and asks. uh ghost puts and ghost calls. Yeah, I guess huge wigs, I guess. Yeah, on a higher time frame or the 28th. Yeah, was it the 28th? No, I think it was the 29th yesterday. I think yeah. Steady, $2 NRSN. Okay, SPY is crazy. Like I don't know where it's getting that momentum from. SPY is just crazy. I think when the market crashes, like it's gonna be a surprise. Like why is the market crashing? That's wild. That's wild, Dan. These days you just have to go long. Just go long and print. Go long and print. Clear out or the upside. Yeah, that's true. It's like a blow off top, in a sense. And then the entering yesterday. I know that. I'm just saying, like, it would be nice, but the market said nope, nope. So I gave up then. La 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 la. A week past support to grab everyone's stop losses. Wes, yeah. La 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 la. Oh, into positions, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Mm, mm. Fives. Okay. Yeah. Probably roots. Probably. Okay. And so today, Nemo secure the monies. Yeah, honestly. Yeah. Yep. It's not very often that you regret securing profits, especially on a name like NXU that is used to scamming people. Stupid scammers, you know. Okay. Sound is sound bouncing. Let me go take a look. Sound the hound. Oh wow. Yup. Oh wow. That thing dipped once at the open and then just said that's it. That's it. Oh my goodness, that thing has almost recovered all of it. It's only down 70 cents now. 9%. This thing was down 20 something percent yesterday. You're still in it? Okay. Yeah. Yep. I mean, we talked about this yesterday. Like the earnings were not that bad, right? Also, think about what the markets are doing, right? Like if the markets were crashing, Sound would get entered, destroyed. But if Nvidia is pumping, it's AI. The S&P pumping because of AI. Like Sound is AI, so then they get to recover some of the losses, I guess. Price target upgrade as well. Oh, okay, there you go. So, yeah, yeah, I see that an hour ago or something. Yep, was the real move. Yeah, NXU. Mm, to get them whales to buy more at the lower price whale probably. It's at 666 now. Hmm. Yep. Yep. I'd be surprised if Sound went from red to green though. I don't think it's going to do that, but would be very surprised if it did that. Uh, no, 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 no. Cool. Actually, okay. Mm, moving on, ADIL. Yeah, that thing is still holding. This is. I bet you Yogi is scalping this thing. Just scalping it today, Yogi. Just scalping it over and over and over and over again, over and over again. That is. Uh, hmm. Cool. Backside move now. Okay, sounds good. I made monies. Love it. Love it. Let's see what's ooh, that thing went back to 610, right? So it bounced MINM, bounced off that level that it needed to. So whenever you're watching something, whenever you're watching these stocks, right, this white line is going to be very important, especially when you break above it. Especially when you break above. When it comes back down, you want it to hold. And if it's holding, that's a good thing. Right? So, yep. And now it's retesting those highs. It actually broke above those highs and went all the way to 635, 640 for MINM. Right? So retest from 613 all the way back down to 665 613 513 613 and then back to 566. Anyways, now we're back above $6, so that's good. Anyways, some higher lows. um I just how do I add it back? Please and thank you. What's your username, Dan? What's your TradingView username? Did you yeah, let me know what your TradingView username is. You don't have to post it in Discord, in on YouTube though. You can just DM it. Oh, okay, yeah. I'll copy it. Uh, okay, you can delete it now. Okay, I'll let you know. I'll let you know then. Let's see. Where do you get that GIF? Which one? Like these little memes? These ones are just like these ones. Like stuff like this. Uh, stuff like that. That's like from Instagram. Just reels, and then people send them to me, and then I send them to Musty. But anyways, yeah, yeah. These are just like yeah, yep. You love any excuse to play that. Like, yeah, this one, of course. Let me show you. Wait. Let me show you first. It helps you take losses better. Okay, good. Yep. But my favorite one for now, though, as MINM is looking really good there, is the Jaden one.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
Yes. No, Musty is. I'm like, hey, Musty, can you convert this, please? And thank you. Please and thank you. Jaden. I like that one. That one's funny. There are a few more. We can play them. It is. It is, Dan. It's the laugh. It's the laugh. Spies are 5'11. That's wild. How it's doing that? Between the gods. It's between the gods. And my goodness. Wow. Sham? No. No, the kid is funny. Do I have a link? I do not actually. Maybe. I just have to check my DMs. I'm sure there are a whole bunch of links there. Yep. And that thing failed again. Same resistance. But if you watch like stuff on Instagram or like, and you spend time watching like stock stuff, the algo will send you like the same stuff. So I see that stuff like all the time. All the time. So that's quite the drop there. Sound is still doing okay. ADIL, that thing looks like it's done, honestly. Even though it's still holding that $3, maybe it's not done, but just the fact that it keeps coming back down is pretty stupid. MTC. I always pull up the wrong MTC. Yep, that's a nice run. It's halted up. Yeah, this one was one of the gainers from pre-market. MTC, that's a nice pop, and halted at 71%. That thing really did a good job though. Like if you look at this consolidation at the open, like it really did a good job just consolidating, and then broke out and then said bye. Bye. On yeah, not healthy right now. Yeah, it's a bit sus. It's a bit sus. Look at MINM. It's back all the way to $5.60. Where's Christian? Christian, are you still here? No. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. So it looks like it's bouncing off that same level. My thoughts on CRDF. What's your position? Let me know. Yeah, if you have a question, just let me know what your position is. Like I'm in at this price. I don't need to know how many shares you're holding. I'm in at this price, or I'm looking for an entry. Just so I know that you're in it, or if you're looking for an entry, or if you're short or long. Let me know. Wave now that it's yep. Yep. Let's see. Live W's. Okay, perfect. FUBO. Okay. La, la, la. 513 soon. It's yeah. Yep. So you got into that thing at the thingy price. So CRDF Cardiff. 259. Okay, so you basically broke even. Well, your entry is closer to resistance than it is support. I'm gonna put a line here for you. So see this little line to the left hand side there at like 265. It needs to clear that level. So see how it's been failing there over and over and over, biker. It's getting close. If that thing breaks above, it could be fun. Like it could say, okay, bye, go, 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 right? But again, every time it's gone there, it's gone back down and then back down and then. So you're hoping that it breaks above 265 and then just send it. Several price target upgrades. Okay, nice. Yeah. Um, what's the let me just take a look here. Maintains overweight. I just want to look at one of these price targets. $7 price target. From they moved it from 5 to 7. Wow, that's a good price target. So it's trying to break out. So if it can break out, it's pretty damn close to the high. So you would almost think, like I would think, this stock would break out at some point, and it's right there now. So if that thing clears that level and clears 270, it's gone skis, isn't it? It's gone skis. So for now, just put a stop loss, biker. Put a stop loss, please and thank you. MTC is unhalted, and it's dipping a little bit. Yep. And it said nope, nope. And it's $2.40. That's a nice pop. My goodness, MTC. This is like this is the Instagram stock. The Instagram stock. It's a nice popped up. How much to struggle? Let me post the video here. The root, it looks like it's squeezing. Oh yeah, sure. And look at that. Look at CRDF biker, right? It's the exact same stupid thing. Click the link above and change your financial life. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. I don't know what you're waiting for, but you're missing out. So click the link, come join us. So yeah, again, we keep saying like history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And CRDF It's failing at the exact same stupid level over and over again. Over and over again. So, yep. Merch. Merch. Especially that is $40. $40. Let me take a look. Root. I think it's at $40 already. Like it's been creeping up. That's impressive. I always looked at Root as a junk company, you know? I'm like, Roots, get that junk out of here. But then they had good news. And then the stock just took off. Crazy. Root. DM. Send me DMs in Crystal. Do you have the Discord app? Send me DMs in Discord instead. Wait. What is that, Crystal? AMC Board of Directors elect Sonia. Let me open this. What the hell is that? AMC. No, Crystal. No, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm so good, it should be illegal. You are good. March 1st. Will serve as class the largest states today announced that the company board of meeting Adam Aarons. Yes. Yeah, but insurance stocks seem to do well, and yeah. Whereas, especially when these analysts start giving price target upgrades, they love it. Like as soon as they get behind it, it's like okay. These criminals. Okay. Yeah, long weekly chart. Yeah, MTC is hitting a bit of a supply zone. This is why these supply zones are amazing. By the way, you got in at 431. If you okay, sounds good. This is why supply zones are so good. You know what I mean? Is we've always said when a stock is ready to go down, you can tell. You can tell that a stock is ready to go down. Because look at this, right? Look at these candles. It's like green, 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 stally. Stally. Why the hell is it stalling? I don't care why it's stalling. I know there's a problem there, right? Even if I don't know what resistance and support is, I know there's a problem. And we've also said, like, when a stock decides to go down, it's rarely a surprise unless it's gone up so much. It's not going to be a surprise. You're going to see it's stalling, and then people are going to panic sell it. But it's really nice to have these red zones. It's going to tell you, like, hey, this red zone is right there. Be careful, right? Red, red, red. And then you're like, okay, thank you, bye, right? But it's holding the nine, so that's good. Progressive Insurance. Yeah, those guys have ads for days. Ads for days. Mm, mm, mm. MYO. MYO. So, yeah, if you're holding that thing, just make sure it stays above the nine. That's like your second confirmation. Step one, fail at resistance. Step two, break below the nine, send it to the abyss. Fun is kind of looking okay for now. Looking okay. Your 626 is your next resistance there. There goes the pop back to the highs. Oh, speaking of fun looking okay, fun just popped again. 620, 626 for fun there. Ooh, wow, look at that thing go. Oh my days, 277. That thing said red zone. You can red zone these. My goodness. Yeah, fun is giving us higher lows, which is actually really good. That's interesting. That Oh yeah, fun is at 628. $6.28. Interesting. Okay. Nvidia is booming. Oh dang, fun is at 6:30 now. Anyways, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. No, 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 no. Oh, la, la, cousin to furthermore monies out of AMC Kiwi probably. Probably. Would you be surprised? That yeah. Anyways, we'll see. Yeah, that's the first time fun is giving us a higher low. Actually, the first time. The first time. Hmm. Wow. Fun is popping a little bit there. I mean, let's see how the rest of the day plays out. If that thing goes from red to green, I'm gonna be pissed. Someone's feeling the FOMO? No, more like pissed. Pissed. This is more is what it is. Nemo, you're the one that sends me no, actually no. You're in at $2.30. Don't go red, DD, please. Please, please, please. Good job. Don't go red. Don't go red. I will find you. I know where you live. I will find you. Take your computer, change the password, and then leave. And then you have to change the password. That's it. That's it. So, don't go red, please and thank you. Set a stop loss, and then move it up, and then move it up, and then move it up. Don't rely on you having to sell it unless you're taking profits. Please and thank you. Mm, not sure yet. Yeah, exactly. No, 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 no. There goes 270. $2.70. La, 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 la. BMA is another one. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's going to be the next one to pop then. Hmm. Cool. Good morning, Serena. Can we look at Live W? Sure. What's your position in Live W? Can you play that screaming gif again? The one with the stop loss? You mean this one?
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because at this point, I'm strong. Okay.
Because you've been there, Dan. Yo. I mean, you really pray your stop loss doesn't hit. You're like, oh my goodness, please, please, just this one time, please, please, please. And then it goes up, and you're like, ooh, open one eye. Okay, well, looking better. And then boom skis. Boom skis. Yep. So clearly a lot of resistance here for MTC. So Kimbella, you're looking for an entry. It's closer to the highs than it is to the bottom. So just be careful, right? That supply is. I like the way that it's holding the blue line down, right? Look at how it's been riding the 9 from $1.60. Actually, from a dollar, yeah, $1.60, right? Blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line, blue line. So if that thing goes below the blue line, you might get your drop. Drop skis. Drop skis. Yeah, this one looks a bit rubbish in it. A bit rubbish in it. Could you have a look at Lola? Yeah, again, if you guys have questions, just let me know what your question actually is. IFBD, like, let me know, and I'll take a look. Cause can I have a look? Like it looks good, but then that doesn't really answer your question, does it? Right? I'm like, hey, this looks good. It's at resistance though, right? There's a little bit of resistance at 90 cents, right? There's a problem there. Would I be buying this thing at 90 cents? Nope. I'd rather have that thing break above 90 cents and hold, and then push to $1. So yeah, just ask me. Just give me specific questions then. Also, the good thing about this one, I think, is that it's coming off the board. Actually, it's a split. It's a split, isn't it? Oh no, they're doing a split tonight. Monday, they're doing a split. It's running it into the split. What the hell? Oh, these idiots. These idiots. You want to know what happened? Is I think these guys, the stock was pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. It went from 50 cents all the way to $7. And these idiots, instead of them to say, you know what, we're not going to do a split anymore because we don't need to because the stock is above $1, they left it, or they approved it, and then the stock went to the abyss. Either that, or they've done an offering, something stupid, or they knew that they were going to do an offering. There's no news here though. There's no news from the last few. Just before reverse. Yeah, there it goes. Wait, what? In hours before the company put its reverse on hold. Oh, they have bigger issues than splits then. Okay, cool. Anyways, yeah, so they're supposed to do a split on Monday. I don't know if they're going to do it if they have concerns. So be careful with this one, please. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. For now, again, it's broken that 90 cent level. So let it push now to $1, right? Um, yeah. So, and there you go, right? So this is how it changes your question, right? So you're in at 65 cents. Then I'm like, oh, cool. Congratulations, right? Changes it. So that's why I ask for like specific questions. With this thing, honestly, nice entry. Congratulations. If I was holding this thing, I would hope that it keeps pumping like this and giving you higher lows and higher lows and higher lows. And then I probably take some monies at the end of the day, if not all of it, before they scam you on Monday. Alrighty, but it does look good for now, though. And then Serena says, "I have 6,000 shares." Again, I never need to know like the amount of shares you're holding. I just want to know like if you're in it, and if you're in it, like what price are you in at, right? So So you're in at 80 cents. Congratulations, Serena. Good job. You have a lot of shares and you have a lot of green. So yeah, you have a really nice entry. Yeah, that thing broke down there too. You have a really nice entry, by the way. You bought it off the demand zone, which is really nice. Congratulations. Volume is really good and it looks nice. Um, yeah, that looks really good. Congrats. 80 cents, 6,000 shares, monies. The low is also 85 cents today, which is good. So, I mean, I don't know what your plan is with this donk. If you're planning on scaling out on the way up, right? If I was holding 6,000 shares, I would most likely start scaling out if we broke below $1. Like if it goes below a dollar again, I would maybe sell some of it. But for now, it looks nice. Um, like it has a lot of room to the upside. That doesn't mean it's going to keep pumping though, right? So, but for now, it does look good. La, 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 la. Oh, Lola, that's see, I think yeah, Live W, yeah, and then you're in IFBD, IFBD at 65 cents as well, from 65 to a dollar plus. Okay, that's good. Congratulations, it looks good. Well done. You're welcome, Serena. Heyo, Amber. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. So yeah, I'm sure this thing will have some resistance closer to a dollar, Lola. But yeah, congratulations though, you're green. MTC is still doing an amazing job, by the way. So DD, for now you're good. I don't need to come change your password. For now, again, look at that beautiful blue line. Look at that beauty, right? $1.60, and it's just riding the blue. So, like I said earlier, as long as this thing keeps closing these candles above the blue line, you're fine, right? As long as it keeps closing above. Obviously, we have some resistance here at 280 at the top of that supply zone. Um, you can see that it's clearly wicking and stalling at the top, so you're still safe. But make sure we don't close any candles below this, because if we do, then it's over. Over, over. Okay, so 280 resistance then. 280 resistance, and there goes 286. That thing said resistance. Bish, where? I'm kidding, by the way. That's a thing, by the way. It's only Joe gets that. Okay. LGMK received notice of allowance of its US application. I wish that came at the end of the day, but whatever. LGMK. So I don't know if that thing is pumping. And then here's the link to the thing that Crystal sent me. Thanks, Crystal. Not sure. Again, AMC seems to be reacting to this, but so it looks like they I don't know who this person is. Sonia Jane, um, to serve as a director of the company. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. I don't know where she's coming from. Maybe she has some experience reviving companies from the abyss. Picking trash out of the dumpster, carrying people from the bridge to the other bridge. Maybe she has some experience in that field, but I hope she does, because maybe people think Anyways, let me stop trashing AMC. What's AMC ads? I'm kidding. AMC's up 2%. So yep, yep. BIVI, BIVI. That's the. Don't waste your breath. I know. So you're looking for an entry into this one. If I was looking for an entry into this thing, I'd be looking for close to like 215 to 210 DD, right? So and then don't let it go down. I don't like this thing because it's below the 200. Also, if you look at this, it's clearly trending down from the open. It's been trending down, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So I don't like that, right? But if you want to play with it, you're hoping that since it's found a bit of a base and a double bottom around this area, around 215 ish, you're hoping that it can stay above that. If it goes below, it's done, right? There's no hope. um, it haunts you in your dreams. Yeah, AMC haunts a lot of people, honestly. AMC haunts a lot of people. Did you make money, Honk, on the other positions? Say yes. Say yes. Did you make money? Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there. Well, Nightbots, a few comments up. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. Honk, come join us. Stop slacking. All the great names, come join us. Everybody. There are a lot of names for me to be reading. Anyways, you're looking for re-entry. I don't like it because, but it's holding the demand zone because, um, wait, did I not unlock? No. Oh, dang it. Oh, yeah. Cool. You know when you turn your phone on, but you really have to sign in to get stuff? And then I get these missed calls, and then I'm like, when did you call me? It's because my stupid phone was clearly still off. Cool. Yeah, no, ADIL looks weak for now. So I would just watch it for now and see if the volume comes back in. Why is my phone off? Because I don't like being bothered when I'm streaming. You know, I don't like being bothered. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, LGMK is doing okay there with that news. Actually, let me pull it up. So yeah, they announced that they received that patent, LGMK, and then yeah, it's popping. I wish it was closer to the end of the day, but that's not too bad, is it? Yeah, now it's almost at 130 resistance there. 130 resistance. Not the whole lot. Damn phone. Man. Uh, Happy to bother you from the chat. No. Yeah, you know what I mean though. Like it's like not you guys. Clearly, I don't mind being bothered by you guys. uh, Something else I needed to do. Okay, that's the stupid patent news. MTC news. MTC is still holding that blue line, guys. Look at that. Dan, yes, yes. And there goes your break below. That's if it closes below that 9 down. That removes the battery. You don't get margin calls? Exactly, Musty. Turn your phone off, and then no margin calls. You're like, so you called me? I didn't know. I didn't know. And the Faraday cage, no signal. Sorry, no signal. Okay, cool. Cool. Yes. So that thing finally closed a candle below the 9. And there goes problems. 260. There goes your second red candle below the 9. Need to turn that off. Anyways, what are you guys doing for the weekend? What are some of the weekend plans as we wait for something else to go boom skis, yeah, and then we can hop off. I don't know if we're gonna come back. We rarely come back at the end on Fridays, but maybe stuff is moving. Rarely it moves though. Dan, I don't believe you. I don't believe you, sir. Mm-mm. I don't believe you. No action required. Cool. Arsenal? Arsenal. You're going fishing? Where do you live? Like, you guys go fishing? My goodness, all these things you guys are saying. Look at that, right? So we finally closed below the blue line, and what's happening? What's happening, guys? What happened? That's the fourth candle below the blue line now. What happening? Why go down? Right? So hopefully it finds a base at 250 or something like that. But again, when you're holding something that's clearly holding a moving average, make sure that it stays above the moving average. Because if it goes below, then you might have a problem. There's no telling how low it goes, but it's still a problem. It's your dad's birthday, so you're barbecuing as well and getting drunk. You're getting drunk with your dad. Damn, Tesh, you drink with everybody. 73 degrees in Nashville. Rubbish. You want to know what the weather is? There goes your fifth red candle below the blue line. The weather. The weather in. Oh my goodness. The weather. It's at least it's gonna get warmer next week. Middle of next week, it should get warmer. But yep, snow. Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing, Crystal. Dumpster diving. Yeah, no, it's not warm. It's not warm. So yeah, yep. Dan is like it's 73 degrees. Rubbish. Rubbish. Any hope? As long as it stays above $3. As long as it stays above like $3 to 290, then you're okay with it. There you go. I'm laughing at your cold weather. I know you are. I know you are. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. By the summer when we have plus 30s, I'm gonna laugh at you because our weather will be warmer than yours. Rubbish. Actually, I need to move. Yeah, I'm moving. Okay. Do. La la la. Yeah. Dan, Rob said he finished your thing. He finished your thing, right? Wait. Tesh, there's a Tesh in Edmonton? Oh my goodness, Tesh, you live in the UK and in Edmonton? No, this is a different Tesh. Wow, we have a Tesh that lives here. Oh my goodness. Tesh, he's a. Yes, sir? Oh, wow. That's cool. Well, hi. I'm glad there's someone that lives in Edmonton. You're Teshminton. Yeah. Tesh gang. Yeah, the other Tesh lives in the UK, and then the other Tesh lives in here in the city. So one Tesh is enjoying the warm weather and getting drunk, and the other Tesh is getting is Mummy, I saw that you tried to join Discord. You have to be a member first to join Discord, by the way. So yeah. Are you guys from the same place? You know what I mean by the same place? Like, are you guys from like is that a tribe name? We got a Tesh that's sober. Brampton, Canadians, Canadians, Punjabi. Okay, you're from Punjabi. Okay, but that's what it is, though, isn't it? Like tribe name, village. I don't mind saying that. I'm from the village. Let's see. Oh, Punjabi means fast. That's what it means. Fast. Hmm. How much to join Discord? Have access to all of Discord? Click on the link, Robbie. Yep. Click on the link at the bottom there. It's going to give you the different levels. The only levels that matter: Discord, community, legend, or goats. Those are the only levels. Legend, goats. Sure. So click the link at the bottom of the chat. Click this link, and it's going to give you the different levels. And buffalo, cat food. So yeah, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. You're missing out on monies. So come join us. It looks like a MINM bounce of that demand zone, which is good. It almost looks like a retest of a breakout. So that's not too bad actually. Now it's failing at the 200 EMA though. So if you're holding that thing, it needs to break out. ADIL, it's looking weak. So until this thing breaks above, right, that 200, it's going to be trending down. Robbie, you did? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so again, one of those three levels I mentioned should work for you. Look at this crazy monster. MTC is back to the highs. Sheesh, 290. Let's go, Yogi. Joining will be the best decision of your life. I assure you. Let's go. Yep, if you're not a member, come join us because you're missing out. You're missing out. So if you're finding these stocks like after, like, hey, I missed, how come it's up 200% already? Well, we know when it's running. Uh, no. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yogi's gifted a membership. It's Yogi. Thank you very much. Yogi's been crushing it lately, and I love it. For some reason, my YouTube chat is not responding. So MTC looks really good, actually. Wow. That thing said, excuse me. Oh, let's go. God damn it. That's really funny. Speaking of fun is still creeping up. Fun is looking very interesting now. Fun is looking interesting. It's actually respecting those levels really nicely. Like it's breaking out and it's holding. If fun explodes today, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, it's random. It's random. I'm the goats. Outside the shelter, first in line to receive the gift. Damn virus. $3 pyros? Okay, you in it? What are you in at? 18%? That's crazy free, bro. Like what the hell is going on with, like what the hell is going on? Uh la, la. Hmm. Mm. Yeah. No, 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 no. La, la, la. First in soup line. First in soup line. First in the bread line. First in the dessert line. Musty uses AI. AI. There goes $3 for MTC Pyros. 299. 299. 299. There goes $3. Was that your exit, Pyros? And now you're back in at 270. Okay. 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 Oh, I see. LVTX. Okay. The difference between Legend and Goat. So Goat comes with one-on-one sessions. So like if you need one-on-ones with me and or Rob, stuff like that. If you need help like one-on-one, if you're like, hey, how do I read charts? Hey, how do I? Can you look at my plays? I need help. And then that's what the Goat level is for. La, la, la. Okay. And then Legend comes with like a group class, and then educational stuff, and then everything else. Yeah. Uh, 280, of course. Of course, of course. LVTX is last on the lifeboats. Let's go. You got in at $2.80. Nice, good job. You know what's nice about this one is that it's trying to go back from red to green, which is nice. I'm gonna have to go back and look at what it did yesterday. Can't really see much on that time frame. Yeah, it's done well. Your entry is actually quite nice because it consolidated at 280 mark. That's a good entry. Your next resistance is closer to 330 there, which is it's exactly where it's sitting at. But yeah, it looks nice. I say 330, but honestly, like that thing just needs to go from red to green, right? So, and then your next support will be $3.18. BBAI. It looks like all of these AI names, Pablo, they're coming back to life a little bit. Yeah. Whew, look at that breakout. Look at this breakout right there. Right there. 350, boom skis, 390. It's a very nice breakout. What's sound doing? What's sound doing? Let's see. MTC's on fire. Yeah, no, BBI looks nice, Pablo. MTC just on fire, crushing it. Um, absolutely, absolutely. No, it's been a long time since I spoke to Neil. Long, 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 long time. And then Mindy pops in once in a while. Once in a while. Choo, choo, choo. The fourth one. Oh yeah. Yes. That's a really nice breakout too. Yeah, 165%, 166, 167. Nice. Did you take profits yet, or your diamond handing? Did you take profits at all? I know Pirates took profits. Oh, you sold it? Wait. Okay, okay, so you got now you're in back at 330. Okay. Well, you got back in. Interesting. Not yet. Okay. Well, you're nice and green though. You're nice and green. Your entry is all the way in the abyss. So as long as you don't go red, or get involved in an offering. Fund might have hit the bottom. Stupid thing. It's supposed to be going sideways. Um, um, oh yeah, fun is just creeping up now. Fun is just creeping up slowly. ADIL bounced off 3 again. So whoever was asking, this thing runs now, Pablo. Run. It's only down 60 cents now, but it's approaching the 200. So let's see what happens. We might still have to wait till next week though, but still have to wait till next week. Yep, this was a good spot though. Right there, $6. Reclaiming that 6 after like staying below the 9 all day today. This was a good spot, and it never went back down there. You sold half. Okay, good job. Good job. Joyce, yeah, it did. So technically, it's still bouncing up the same stupid level, right? So still bouncing. So weak. 640. Yeah, hopefully fun doesn't leave us in the dust today though, and it waits till Monday. But I bet you some people are jumping in because Super Tuesday next week. Either way, we'll play it next week or whenever. Whenever. Amber, how's your daughter? How's your daughter? 360. 360. Stalling. Next week, Musty. Yeah. I wish that thing went up a lot harder, you know? And there goes the dip skis. Stall, and 320. So good thing you sold some of it. We go in the night mode, yes. See, Luna does that. Luna's doing that quite often now, isn't it? Vance. Like up, down. I think I'm an investor. Like obviously I scalped it a little bit yesterday, just once I think, because it just kept bouncing up the same level, and yep. Is it the same? Yeah, this is the same spot. Dang. Maybe I should have set an alert and then waited for that, because I think I got in right there somewhere. And then I sold the damn thing right there. And then I was happy that it came down. And then all of a sudden, Vans started spamming $6. I'm like, wait, what? It went back up. I'm like, wait, no, give my shares back. Give my damn shares back. And it just kept going up. Unbelievable. Then I wasn't happy after that. But it came back to the same stupid price though, and I went back up to the exact same spot. 570. Yeah, like yeah, like close to that 560. It's been bouncing. 560. Yep, the FBI. They're like, nope, we want your damn shares. Yeah, at least for now, though, fun is not fun. At least for now, if you look at the last 3 days, I think we had this arrow, right? This little red arrow is because that's kind of where we wanted it to come, right? Reason for that is look to the left hand side, right? This was a breakout, like right there, this little red, that red arrow pointing down. This was resistance, and this was the breakout right there. So if we're coming down, where do you think it's gonna hold? Where do you want it to hold? Right there. So it came back down and it bounced off the 200 and that previous breakout, which is perfect. So if Luna can just stay above that level, that's cool. On to the next mission and then go back up, right? Go all the way back up to $13. So, yep. Also, the reason why like I like that area was because you have the 200. See this little white line going all the way across the top one, right? That's your 200 EMA, right? On the daily. So that's a pretty strong one, right? So when it's crashing like this or when it breaks above, that's a good level to watch. So you have a breakout retest and then you have the 200 at the same spot. Ooh, we give us a dipski. So yep, as long as it stays above 550, I know it. I say 550. It's not exactly 550, but stay above that damn spot. It's been holding for 4 days now, hasn't it? Right. So we tested this level on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's been holding and bouncing. So that's good if it can stay above it. As long as those idiots don't speak again with the toy, especially the guy with the toy. As soon as that dude comes on, the market says, wait, please. I didn't know I was investing in a toy. Anyways, yeah, no more press conferences and you're safe. The market panics. They're like, excuse me. I thought these were pictures of the moon. You came with a toy? Are you kidding me? Every single time. As soon as he shows up, like, yup, he's on again. The stock is crashing. The equivalent of Adam Aaron. Oh my goodness, that guy is funny. But yeah, hopefully they announce another mission soon though, because this would be a good spot to announce a mission. And then go shooting back up to $7. And then people stuck to its diamond handing. Yep. No, I think the only thing that I liked about Luna is looking how much money they got for that mission, like $108 million, right? So that's a lot of money if they can find a way to be consistent and go to the moon like all the time and deliver these payloads, right? They can be like a really good company, like a Tesla when EV was just like a Tesla back in the EV days, like back when everything was starting. These guys could be like the space shuttle to the moon. Space apes. Again, only if it makes sense. Oh, absolutely. Like if they have a new catalyst and a new dates, for sure. Damn, fun is very consistent now, isn't it? Fun is very consistent. Like it's just creeping up. MTC is flushing. Yup. Intact without Vaseline. Yup. So hopefully you took some monies off the table and blah 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 blah. Congratulations. Mm. Uh, na 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 na. Do do do. Yeah, fun is retesting the 200 now, so that's going to be a big test. A big test. A big test. Fun. 599. Nice. Yeah, highs of the day. $6. $6 high of the day. That's a nice little. Yep. Oh, fun is like, hey, break it. Oh my days, fun is gonna go green, isn't it? Anyways, why Vaseline, Bunny? Because Pablo said it. I'm innocent. Pablo said it. I did nothing. Hmm. MTC does look a bit, yeah, looks sus though, below these moving averages. All the mining stocks are green now. What's Bitcoin at? Yeah, Bitcoin is still above 60, and the markets are bouncing. La 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 la. Because no Vaseline hurts. Oh my goodness. La, 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 la. Yeah, it's FBI. Must Mo. La 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 la. Anyways, yeah, $6 wick dance, and then came back down a little bit. Yeah, MTC looks like it just has that 9 now, the blue line for resistance. Use regular candles. That's impressive. I know what you mean, Dan. Yeah, I know. Yes, yes, yes. What time is it? It's midday. Yeah, they are. They are, Vance. In law enforcement, who's that musty? Anyways, yeah, we'll see when the volume really kicks in on that thing. As I say that, we hit new highs. Oh my days! I think it's gonna keep doing that, and then it's gonna pop. Anybody buy fun on the dip skis there? Anybody buy fun? Uh, Damn, those bids are sitting above 650 now. Wow. You are small entry into fun, yeah? Okay. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Yup. Oh, musty, I see. Yeah. 654. 630? Okay, not bad. Relax. No? It's like, wait, who? Me? I was crashing earlier. Nobody told me to relax. Now I'm gonna send it. Oh my days. No, again, I don't think there's really anything to be overly concerned about yet. Yeah, I think it's still gonna play games. It's the end of the week too, so almost feel like one or two things. People are gonna take profits at the close, or this thing is gonna explode after hours. So UCAR, yeah, UCAR has been doing offering something. That thing, no red candles, no red candles. It's like you didn't believe in me. God did. One tiny penny at a time, but it's slowly creeping up. Again, the reason we want to watch this thing and the reason we've been talking about this thing and looking at this thing is because these splits will, at some point, again, it's done exactly what we wanted, right? split, crash, and then pump. These splits always pump at some point. We want to make sure we catch it though. This one said, can you be a little bit more specific, Katie? Does not help me. I know. I'm just saying. Also waiting for Monday. uh, yep. Yep. It could have just done this on Monday, you know? Just done this on Monday. Like, there's no need to be doing this today. Catch me outside, it said. Yep. If this thing gets halted, though, I'm leaving you guys on stream. And I'm ending the damn stream. So I better not get halted. Well, CM is hoping it gets halted, though. Catch me outside. Super slow. It's gonna dip at some point, at least to retest the 200. But anyways, yeah, most likely safer to look at it after hours or come back on Monday. See what it looks like on Monday going into Super Tuesday. You know. MTC, yeah, that thing really popped back up. Said bye. Bye. ADIL back to $3. What a useless stock. That's playbook has been so money. The ones that split sell off to $1. Anticipated, yeah, exactly. Otherwise, the nice reactive trades, Mixi, exactly. Right, look at this thing, highs of the day. Right, so this one was clearly on the playbook. We just didn't execute it as we wanted to. Just didn't execute. Well. So if you're holding fund, congratulations. Congratulations. Memories. Oh, I see. Choo. Yeah, good job, Sky. And then it dropped back down, so good job on the exit. I want to, but damn, that thing is so strong, Dan. Yeah. Let us know when you get those buy puts, because they follow you, Dan, for some reason. The market is like, Dan is in spy puts, and it's. But honestly, like sitting above 510, like, do we just go to 520 now before we look for puts? When do you buy puts? Do you even buy puts? Wild. Yeah, when it goes back below 510. Okay. Yeah, no, it's okay. I'm not gonna watch Spy though. Spy can suck it. It's scary. Oh yeah, it's scary. Puts are for losers now. If you buy puts, you'll get NSAT. NSAT. Yeah. As real? Okay. Never thought they at this rate, Dan, they might just get in the money. Luna went back down. Luna's like, excuse me, you guys are talking about the toy guy? Oh no, it's okay. I want to go back down. But support around like 580. Dang, does fun have red candles? CM is just smiling now. Any red candles in this thing? Maybe now. Here comes a red candle. It's like, seek and you shall find. Ask and you shall receive. Yeah, tough. No, that's impressive. He's very impressive. Very, very impressive. Uh, huh, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Should be should honestly, Rusty, like with these split plays, we want to play them once and then run away. That's it. That's about it, honestly. So when we were talking about VLCN, we just want to get that, split crash run, and then we can put it on the back burner for now, right? Same thing with fun, right? Split, crash, run. That's about it. We don't want to be doing too much with these plays because they're trash, So yeah, you can put it on the watch list and check every once in a while to see what the levels look like. You know, check every once in a while. Uh, what's the team news here? I want to see team news. Where's the link? Fantasy Football Scout. I always accept cookies. Cookies are the best. 400. That's crazy. I don't know how these stocks are doing it. No, 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 no. Liverpool. Salah. And will and a late call will be made. Rubbish. Has a chance. What does that even mean? Out for the season. Ben Mee is out for the season. Oh, that team is trashed now. Rubbish. Anyways, any thoughts on Tilray, Spencer? Cannabis rescheduling that could happen in April. Thank you for mentioning that. Thank you. We're celebrating red candles now. Anyways, Tilray, it's been a long time since we talked about these cannabis plays. Cannabis plays. Clearly, Tilray is it's been like it's trash, and it's been sitting at the bottom. So above 170, the all-time low for this thing, Spencer's 150, all-time low, right? 150. So sitting at 170 is not too bad. It's been holding 170 for the entire week, so that's a good thing. So this might not be a bad level for you to to gamble at if you were waiting for like the rescheduling. Do you have a link for the rescheduling thing, Spencer? You have a link? If you do, let me know. I want to see what that looks like. I just want to see what it looks like, and then because it's been a while since these cannabis plays had a rally, so we always want to keep an eye because at some point these plays will run again, right? At some point these plays will move again, move again. Nah. But yeah, so again, Spencer, to answer your question, you have support at 170, and then you have your next level at a dollar 50. So those would be the two areas that I would be looking at for potential entries. And then I'm surprised it's taken this long though for cannabis to really gain traction. Wasn't that one of the things Biden ran on? Was that one of the points? He's like, if I get into office, I will legalize cannabis. Everybody gets weed and everybody get. Was that one of the things? I don't remember now, but somebody ran on that though. Don't worry. When you guys need, you guys will legalize it when you guys need money for the. When I buy The only place I see in high demand. Yeah, reserves. Yeah, so here's that retest of the 200. It has to happen, right? There's no choice. So we break above the 200, we have to come back and retest the 200. So now for our fun, let's see if it stays above the 200. Bernie, okay, Bernie. Oh, that's that dude. That dude needs to go do some other activities. Uh, that's wild. The mittens guy, yeah. Mittens. They all need to retire. For something was ready to, but nobody as usual. Yeah. No, mostly it's because it's posted in Stock General. You have to post it in like a different channel, like the swing stuff. Posting the swing stuff. When you see stuff like that, must be posting the swing stuff. It gets lost in Stock General. CLVR gets lost in the sauce. Yeah, this one. I know I need to zoom out and like look at the bigger picture, but that thing's still at resistance though. Like that thing clearly needs to break out musty. So if that thing can ever break above like 440, 450, then maybe 430, 440, 450, that little 30-cent range. For now, nope. Nope. I know what you're doing. I know you're zooming out, but still. Otherwise, it just looks like a congested, weird double top. You know? Crazy. Crazy runs. Crazy runs. Today is March 1st. Cannabis here at the it's a cannabis cop. That's funny. The cannabis cop. The cannabis cop. Interesting. Yep. Yeah. No. It's. I'm gonna go back to Tilray. And then set an alert here. I'm gonna set an alert for. We don't really care when it's crashing, honestly, because that thing could go to the abyss, and we really don't care. Like if one of these candles get like a higher low or something, I'm gonna set an alert. I'm gonna do like I'll do like 170. It's very tight, isn't it? Do like 178. And then we can always check and re-alert. Re-alert. You know? Re-alert. And then go from there. Anyways, yeah, so over the weekend, I think we're going to look at, as usual, we're going to look at the split list and see if there's anything we can find. And then go from there. You know? Go from there, see if I bet you there's some better splits on that list than fun, right? So we're going to take a look over the weekend as usual, see if we can find some things going to $1. How come you're not a member yet? Mix Z, come join us in Discord. Bring this split knowledge. Mix Z, come on, come join us. Find the next holo. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yeah, the ones that are closer to $1 are like a lot nicer events. You know, We're looking at fun. We're looking at fun because fun has a catalyst maybe next Tuesday if it decides to go with it. But yeah, hopefully, yeah, Holo was fun. There was Holo, there was VLCN, there was all these splits. They run at least once, so we just had to find when they're ready to go, and then jump on, and then ride the wave and then run away. That's it. So splits theme. Yep. Yep. Nairo, come join us in Discord. Stop slacking. Stop slacking. Okay? Okay, come join us. I'm calling you guys out now. Come join us. Yes, please. And you, Musty, you had the rally yesterday. We gave it to you, Musty. That was it. So no more banning. That was it. You asked once. You can't ask, multiple days and then get 100% run and then ask again. Mm-mm. Perhaps maybe out of the race on Tuesday. Yep. Didi, have a wonderful day. Congratulations on MTC, by the way. Make sure you have a plan for this one, okay? Make sure you have a stop loss. Don't diamond hand that thing. If you're red, and we're no longer friends. If you don't, you better not tell me that if you end up red on that play. La, la, la. None of this planet. Oh my days. And trading solo so many years, get lonely. So nice to have the engagement. And exactly, McZ, come join us. We want you. You want us. It's a mutual connection, Sounds like a match, right? Sounds like a match. We want you. You want us. Come join us. La la la. Right? Come join us. You're gonna have more fun. Don't be lonely. We don't want you lonely. Perhaps, yeah. Don't be lonely, please. Nikki Faley. I don't know how she keeps going, honestly. How do you lose and keep going? Where are you going? I think she's hoping that Trump gets put in jail or something, and then she's gonna be like, aha! I am the sole runner. By default, you get moi, the best. Anyways. Yeah. Oh, yes, you're out already, Didi? Okay, congratulations. Okay, good job. Yeah, we can be friends. Tesla had a nice bounce, yeah, especially today with the markets doing what they're doing. Since the last time it touched $8, yeah. Thanks to Kathy Woods. Kathy Woods. So yeah, let's do 5 more minutes and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. 5 more minutes and then we can do some research and then just hang out, Friday can be one of the best days to do research because then you almost like looking at stuff that's gaining a little bit of momentum to gap up on Monday. So tonight, you know what? Another stock that looks interesting to me, but I'm not quite sure about it yet, is ASNS. Actually, Mo's been looking at this one closely too. This one. It looks interesting, doesn't it? The question is, will this thing ever pump? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Right? That's a pretty nice area, isn't it? It's a solid demand zone. But the volume just isn't there. And it's been going sideways for so long. You'd be swinging this thing for 100 years and you never know when it's going to pump. There's just no volume. No volume. But it's nice. No volume. Anyways, we'll keep. I'll look into this one again tonight, and then over the weekend, and then see if we can put it on the list or something. CXAI, Richard, yeah. Is ZAI? You took it off the watch list. It looks trash. Yep, like you're waiting for forever. There's no volume here. It's one of those though that maybe at some point, they're gonna drop news and it's gonna pop. But yeah. You like to see a little bit of volume. Anyways, let me look at CXAI. Yep, nice. Highs of the day, Richard. Very nice. Oh yeah, 120. Yeah. Yep. We'll see. Alert! 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 Okay, sure. Uh, Pumping right now. Who's pumping? Who's pumping? Oh, the one you posted, Lion. Uh, Maybe you didn't post. Oh, BBI. Okay, yeah. Yep. Yeah, these AI names are doing well. Nvidia's pumping, markets pumping, AI pumping. Like AI is the reason why the markets are sitting here. So, yep, these names look good. So congratulations if you're holding them, playing with them, blah blah blah. Congratulations, because they look good. They look good, Lion. AI. Yeah, no, the scanner's been going off for BBI2 in Discord, right? 363, and then $4. Um, Yo, Ren. Good morning, good afternoon to you as well. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Ren likes MTC. This is like your favorite stock, isn't it? Every time this stock is pumping, I know you're in it. Criminal. Straight to jail. It does rally every once in a while. Like MTC goes, it does this every once in a while. Actually, like without news either. Like it just runs. Like it's yeah. Look at that, right? Rinse repeats. Look at that. It's like pop and then crash and then pop and then crash and then pop and then crash. Yup. No catalyst needed. Just straight boom skis. Yeah. No. Good job, Red. Congratulations. It went all the way to almost $4 and then came back down. So people took some monies off the table. Money's off the table. NUVB Wedbush kind of maintains a price $5 price target. That's an analyst, by the way. Wedbush is an analyst. So then ADIL still holding $3. Wow. I mean, honestly, if you scalp this thing off $3, 290 today, you've done really well. Over and over again. MINM is still consolidating. I don't like that it's below the 200, but it's still holding 550, so that's good, I guess. And then BBAI, that thing is just hitting highs on highs on highs. Like the wet with the D at the end of the yeah. Yep. Yep. Wow, 22%. Nice. Like, oh, it's not even typing. Yep, like that, Dan. Analyst upgrades. Anyways, yeah, CXI is hitting highs of the day now too. Highs of the day. My mind was in the gutter. Well, to be fair, your mind is always in the gutter, you know. So I was expecting that from Virus. Pepe is up 52%. Damn. Wild. Yeah, fun is not too bad. Mm-hmm. I need to do a better job of hydrating today. My lips are There he is. That was the key word. Virus was running in the bush in the jungle, and then he's like, "What? Who said what?" When you buy crypto, you've been afraid using anything that's not Coinbase. Most people use Coinbase. Uh, oh wow, Fun just popped again. Dang it, Fun. Fun is back to the highs of the day. CM, are you still holding this? What are you doing, Fun? What are you doing? Yeah, I think most people use Coinbase. There are a few more places, right? Like crypto.com, Kraken. Um, yeah, holding CM, nice. You're hydrating on white wine, Emer. Well, it is Friday night for you, so Friday nights. Uh, Pepe, Pepe. Yeah, Pepe is wild. Vance posted in H. Let me take a look. Yeah, it sounds like another AI name, doesn't it? What is this? That's IDAL. Stupid thing. Um, yeah, Vance has been spamming this one. Am I looking at the right stock? Technology services, packaged software, 57% increase in revenue. Okay, this is the wrong one. Yeah, H. Yeah, I was like, wait, what? Vance wouldn't do that. Better. Okay, better. I was disappointed by 5%. Yeah, no, looks good, Vance. Where's that supply zone coming from? I bet you it's coming from yeah, it's coming from like right there. So this was February 1st. February 1st, it failed right there, Vance. 445. So yep, retesting it. Retesting. Breakout and go boom skis. Yeah, they're not updated. Yeah, yeah. I think we looked yesterday and not nothing. Maybe if they pump it before that, Dan, that'd be a sweet puts to the abyss. Puts to the abyss. Maybe they're not doing that for a reason because they want to do something. They want to do something. They want to pump it first or something. You know, Spy all time highs again. Sheesh. Sheesh. No, 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 no. Yep. That's wild. The S&P is, yep, buying puts, you're just asking for problems, asking for stress, you know? Asking for stress is what you're asking for. Eventually, though, that thing is going to crash. The markets will go to the abyss. But for now, just everything goes boom skis up, all time highs. Yep, Tesh, that $6 so far might have been it, though. Hopefully not. Hopefully they do an offering tonight. I'm kidding. Um, and then it gives us 350 and then consolidates and then boom skis. But yeah, I bet you that like going into Tuesday, the hype is gonna kick in a bit more. And if it doesn't, then oh well, whatever. Then spy. Yep. Yep. La. My goodness, I don't get how we just keep pumping. I don't get that at all. We just keep going and going and going and going. That's crazy. Crazy. Back in 2020, was it 2022? Yeah, 2022, like late 2022, early 2023. We could like the markets could go up and then we're like, okay, puts time, and then it goes down and it goes back up and then it goes back down. These days, don't even bother. Don't bother because your puts are gonna be looking. Your puts are gonna go to 0.01 really quickly, really quickly. Yep. 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 Yeah, fun is giving us a nice higher low, and then a higher low, another higher low. Cool. That's the easier way to manage this. Just setting those higher low stop losses. Higher lows, higher lows. That minus 90 is not a fun. Is not fun to look at. It's not, Dan. It's not. You just want to sign out. Like, you know what? Can these things expire? And you don't want to sell it either, because what's the point of selling? Why would you sell it? But, anyways, anyways, anyways. Doo-doo-doo. Wild. 0.01. When the bid is at zero, no bids, no bids, and then the ask goes for point zero to 0.05, and you're like, oh my god, there's hope. And then the ask goes to point zero, like to 10 cents, but the bid is still at zero. That's market makers playing games with you. They're like, ooh, do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Ooh. They're playing with you. You see the ask going up, the bid is at zero. Try selling it. No buyers. Order pending. Not even a 0.01. Oh my days. Did they add options on phone? I see it on Weibo. I don't think so, Richard. Stupid fun. Stupid fun. Choo, 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 choo. Futures call and oh dang it, fun. How much higher than can AMD go? It's crazy. I don't. Well, I mean, Nvidia is at 900. So, well, I say 900 because I'm just saying. AMD wants to catch up at least half of that. 669 for fun. If fun goes from red to green, I'm going to be annoyed. But it looks good though, doesn't it? It looks really good. If you don't buy fun already, I know. I know. I want to wait till next week. But that thing is going to run. MTC went to the abyss. So hopefully you took profits on that thing. Took profits on that thing, please and thank you. Yep. Holding for options and they show 500%. And then you go to sell and it updates minus 50. Yep. Painful. And if it get a red candle, see exactly Yogi, right? Yep. Exactly. That's what I mean. Like, exactly. The process of waiting for Monday, it hit a beautiful bottom and we missed it. And now it's like, do I really want to buy this on a Friday when it's pumping like this? The answer is highly questionable. If that thing holds up, not talking to anyone. Anyways, the SIDU, yeah. The 200, okay. Do, 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 do. Yeah, the 200 EMA, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, it's getting close. Yep, that thing went from 380 to 260. So, yep, for those of you guys that took profits, you're happy. Happy days. Shiba burn, Crystal. Shiba burn. Okay, let's see. Anyways, I think we're gonna leave it here for today, and we're gonna be in Discord, and we're gonna look for some other place. Alrighty. So have a wonderful afternoon, and I'm not sure if we're coming back for the close. Most likely not. Most likely not. And yeah, be safe and smash a like if you haven't already. If you do become a member, send me an email at the top. I'll send you an invite. And yeah, thank you all very much. Much love. Dan, bye bye. Enjoy your barbecue. Torch, no, just fun for like the post split rally. See you in Discord. Motesh, see you in Discord. Virus and Thros Van, see you in Discord. Jeff, bye bye. Christo, have a wonderful weekend. Alrighty, Yogi, have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Richard, peace. Bye. Ren, congratulations. Have a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to Discord to roast. You know what? I'm going to the gym. CM, good job on fun, by the way. Good job. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. And yeah, make those monies, please. Make monies. Sham at the gym. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep watching stuff. See you in Discord, Ren. T, have a wonderful weekend. No weekend class this weekend. I'm gonna slack this weekend and just look at stocks. Just do research. Slack. Who are you kidding? Yeah, I'm gonna go eat and look at charts. Crystal Chow, who goes to the gym this early? Only psychopaths go to the gym this early, you know? I'm kidding, by the way. Yeah. Yes. Dang, the bits are slowly moving up. Yep. Alrighty. Bye, guys.